how to solve 4 power of x minus 60 is equal to 120. What is the value of x? So first of all, we can apply this exponential rule that k power of m minus n is equal to k power m over k power n. So according to this exponential rule, here 4 power of x minus 60 is same as 4 power x over 4 power 60. 4 power 60 then is equal to 120. Now we have to multiply by 4 power 60 in both sides. So multiply by 4 power 60 multiply by 4 power 60. So this 4 power 60, this 4 power 60 will be cancelled out. Now we apply log in both sides. Log of 4 power x is equal to log of 120 times 4 power 60. Next step, here we apply rule that log k power r is equal to r log k. So this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 4 is equal to here log of 120 times 4 power 6. So I also apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 120 plus log 4 power 60. Next step, x log 4 is equal to log 120 plus this power 60 will move to the base, so it will be 60 log 4. Now we have to divide it by log 4 in both sides because we need the value of x. Divided by log 4, this log 4 cancel out, so x will be equal to this part log 120 over log 4 then plus this part 60 log 4 over log 4. Now this log 4 will be cancelled out. In the next step, x is equal to log 120 is same as log of 4 times 30 over log 4 plus 60. In the next step, x is equal to log of 4 times 30 is same as log 4 plus log 30 over log 4 then plus 60. In the next step, x is equal to log 4 over log 4 then here plus plus log 30 over log 4, yeah, plus 60. Log 4 cancel out, here 1. Next step, x is equal to 1 plus 60, so it will be 61 plus log 30 is same as log of 5 times 6 over log 4. Now x will be equal to 61 plus log of 5 times 6 is same as log 5 plus log 6 over log 4. Next step, x will be equal to 61 plus log 5 over log 4 is same as 2 log 2 plus log 6 is same as log 3 plus log 2 over this log 4. It can be written as 2 log 2. Next step, x is equal to 61 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 2 plus log 3 over 2 log 2, so it will be 1 over 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 2, so it will be 1 by 2. So this is our answer.